And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because my channel is going to blow. Now listen, we are now at Clearwater Beach, Florida, and I'm going to give you guys a room tour of the Wyndham Grand, and we have the double queen Gulf view. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, so we are on the 16th floor, which is the highest floor. As soon as you come in the room, you have the door with the double lock. Okay, and then you have a beautiful full-length mirror, which is what every hotel should have. Then you have a space down here for, I would say, like your luggage, or as you can see, we have the body boards there. This is the closet, and you have lots of storage room if you really want to unpack. Safe, you have robes, you have this beautiful laundry bag. Look at this. This is what you call a laundry bag. Laundry dry cleaning. And the ironing board is way down there. Here's the bathroom, and it has that farm style door. Look at that. And beautiful bathroom, very spacious. This is the toilet. It does have a fan and lighting. Lots of lighting in here. I don't think the sink could have some more water pressure. I think that they could do a little better with the water pressure. And they give you the normal stuff, the soap, you have makeup remover wipes. What they have over here: shampoo, grooming kit, shower cream with shea butter, okay, and Kleenexes. And then down here you have a hair dryer, extra toilet paper, towels and everything. And I like the fact that they give you a hand towel to dry your hands that is not white, it's a different color, so everyone understands what this towel is for. So if you look in the bathroom, if you look in the shower, you see it's a nice shower head. They also have lighting there. This is cute right here. Look at this. And then they give you this. Look at this. Conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel bottles. Full size that they refill. Bathtub. Not the biggest bathtub, but it's definitely adequate. And that's the bathroom. So over here we have, what do you call these things? A suitcase holder. And then it's another area for a suitcase there, which is mine. It could be a adjoining room if you wanted it to be. Then we have the 2 beds over here. The headboard is super nice. Look at this, very nice. You also have the USB port here, which you don't get all the time at all the hotels. What's this right here? This is like a
clock with more USB ports.
Yeah, it's a clock with, if you heard them, USB ports and plug-ins, so that's pretty cool. And you have the reading lights on the side of each bed. Looks like it's a 50-inch flat screen TV, and you have different compartments here for storage. If you look, I have my Trader Joe's snacks. Let's see. Nothing's in there. They do provide you with 2 bottled waters per day.
And here's the refrigerator. It's a small refrigerator. And you have a coffee maker. Actually, this is the good stuff, the Keurig. So let's see, you have breakfast blend. And what's this one? English breakfast blend, light roast, and decaf. Okay. Half and half delight. Nice table. This lamp gives a lot of light also.
Is that little map?
And it's a nice balcony here. It's heavy, only the one lock. Look how big the balcony is. So here is the view. This side is the harbor, and if we move over to the other side, this is the Gulf. Look at that sand. It's like super white, and there's like no waves today. So it's a perfect day to be at the beach. What I don't like is that you actually have to cross the street and get to the beach. So like, even if you have oceanfront, an oceanfront hotel, you still have to cross the street. Another thing that I don't like is there is like a generator that's right on the building over there. So you don't actually get to hear the sounds of the wave. I can't really hear it. So it's kind of taken away from my experience because of these generators, because of this road here. Also, there's another road on this side. So, I mean, you can hear traffic. So that's something to take into consideration if if you're not really into the noisy beach, because that's what this is. But nevertheless, it's still beautiful. The trolley stops right here in front of the resort also. Here is the pool. So you have the pool here. You have the ocean here, the Gulf. And then all the way on the other side is the harbor. So it's a beautiful view. That was a room tour, but I did want to give you some additional information. Check-in took about maybe 2 to 3 minutes. They did have the social distancing stickers on the floor, so you know where to stand while you're waiting to check in. When you check in, they give you these wristbands here. This is also your room key. Check this out. So this is like epic, literally, because you go to the beach. This is waterproof, and you use this to get in and out of your room. They also provide 2 chairs and an umbrella, so you don't have to carry your own umbrella and chairs to the beach. They have 2 for you and an umbrella. If you need more than 2, you have to pay $10 per chair per day. So I would keep that in mind. They also take a $100 security deposit out. They put it on hold. Overall, so far, I think this is a very clean room. It is modern, and it's not in need of any renovations at this point. So, I give it 5 stars for that. One issue that I had, we did call for room service, and it went to voicemail. So come on now, we're gonna have to get that together. I mean, I understand that there was only like 3 or 4 people in the kitchen, but someone needs to answer the phone somewhere, because when I called 0 for the operator and asked for room service, they transferred me and it went to voicemail. We ended up going down there to eat for breakfast, but we didn't want to do that, so that was kind of an inconvenience. I did also want to mention that valet parking is required, so you must valet park if you stay at this hotel. The internet is free. There was no additional there was no additional charge for the internet, and so far none of us have had any issues. We've been on our cell phones, all of us at the same time. No one is dropped, so that was that was fine. Pretty much all you do is put your last name in and your room number, and then you automatically connect. So that part was smooth sailing. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. This was the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will be posting additional videos of our stay here at Clearwater. We're gonna be here for a week. This is our last trip before DJ starts school next week. So thanks for watching.